My house is a mess, so today we're gonna switch things up and do a little clean it with me. And trust me, I need some energy, so let's clean the house, sit back, relax. I love to have these types of videos in the background while I'm cleaning and doing different things. So I'll probably pop on YouTube, but I don't know. Hopefully this is something that you enjoy. If you do enjoy this content, please comment down below. Otherwise, click away. We won't do this type of thing in the future, but my house is dirty. I'm gonna need to clean it.
a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back, I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? As the days go by, I keep wondering why the struggle never ends. In this endless fight, I'm never right. I can never win, never win. How can I get it right? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? Oh, each time. I'm burning the wire. Running through fire.
The wash is still very much going, so we are almost done. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.